Well, good afternoon everybody, and thank you very much for taking the time to come out with us today. I'm back out with Claire.
Hello.
And we've got Bramble over there, and we're back out in the woods. And we've been out today to set up a brand new hammock that we've just purchased. It's a one-wind zippered hammock, and it'll be on a video previous to this one if you want to check that out. It is a cracking bit of kit, and I'm really impressed with it, and I'm so looking forward to spending a night out in it. And talking about a really good bit of kit, this afternoon, we're out and we're going to get a fire up the Kelly Kettle, and we're going to make a brew, and we're going to cook something to eat. And we're going to cook something that's a little bit old school. It was one of my favourite dishes when I was for school lunch. I really enjoyed it, and it's spam fritters, and we're going to do beer-battered Spam fritters. So yeah, stick around. We've already gathered a load of twigs. We're going to get the fire going and get the kettle on, because we're ready for a brew now, aren't we?
Definitely ready.
Yeah, so stick around and we'll bring you along for a nice afternoon out in nature. Right, we've got everything we need here, and first things first, we'll get the fire lit in the hobo stove part of the Kelly Kettle. And I'm just using twisty wood wool things today, not messing about. We're just going to get this fire going. Whack one of them in there, and we'll put another one in just to be on the safe side. And we've got loads of twigs here, and hopefully everything's nice and dry enough to keep this fire going, get them broke up. Some smaller ones, I think. Bramble got a drink. We'll get them. We'll get some water in the Kelly Kettle, because as I mentioned earlier, we're both ready for a brew. And our fire's going alright. You feel the heat on it already. Let's get that filled right up with water. We'll get the whistle on there, and we'll get the kettle on for that brew. And we'll put some more sticks down the top. Everything's a little bit damp, so it's a little bit smoky. Right, I hope you can see me through the smoke. And whilst we're waiting on that kettle to boil, we might as well get the batter made for the beer batter for making these spam fritters. So we'll chop. There's not that much flour in there. We'll tip some of that back in. You can always add a little bit more if we need be. Yeah, we'll tip some of that back in. We're not going to need that much. There's only two of us. So I'm going to say possibly about that will do, just for what we're doing today. And we want some pepper in there. We have got some salt. Pinch of salt. One side, get some more twigs, put in there. And the main ingredient for this. I want that one, the beer. Let's get some of that poured in with the flour. Do you think I can trust you to hold that beer without drinking it?
You don't want me to try it?
No, I don't. Not yet anyway. We'll get that mixed up. Right, we've got the batter made, and as you can hear, the kettle's come to a boil. So we'll sit this to one side, we'll get the kettle off the flame, and we'll get some oil on, ready for cooking these spam fritters. Right, we'll just lift the kettle off, and we'll just put that to one side, leave that in a safe place, and we'll get the hobo stove bit on. That'll do. Just push them twigs in. sticks in. Keep that flame going. And what we'll do, we'll put that on. And the red ones to one side. And we'll get some oil in. We'll get some oil in the pot. Right, we'll let that heat up. There we go. The oil seems quite hot now, so what we'll do, we'll get the first batch of spam fritters in, I think. I'll get the first one in at least. We've got the flour, we've got the beer batter. We'll take that spam fritter out of there and dunk it in. Oh, smoke. Get that in there. Get that first one in. Oh, nice. Nice. And put another one in the oil. Ready. These aren't going to take long at all, are they? Get that excess flour off there. That's what was wrong with that one. Spun. There we go. As you can see, I've got another one in, and that other one there is cooking away nice. Let's just have a little flip about with that. That's looking lovely, that, like, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, beer-battered spam fritters, very nice. That's all the spam fritters done, and if you're a fan of spam fritters, I'm sure you will agree they look absolutely fantastic. What we'll do now is we'll get this oil off. We'll get the oil put out the way somewhere safe so Bramble doesn't get it. You stay away, Bramble, good girl. We'll just put it down there for now. We'll get the top part of the hobo stove off, and we'll get this Kelly kettle on for another brew. And as always, you carry it so that is at a 90-degree angle, so you don't burn yourself at the chimney part at the top. And we'll get a few more sticks put down there. It's been a bit of a chew on because everything's so damp, hasn't it?
Yeah. Took a while.
It's took a while. It's took a lot longer than I thought. And thinking about it, I maybe should have just brought some dry sticks out. So we'll get some bread buns and we'll get these sandwiches made up. Well, looks quite nice. Got some sauce put on it, darling?
2 minutes of that.
I don't feel. With spam fritters, it's got to be tomato ketchup. Is that enough?
Yeah.
Right, there you go. Tell me what you think. Tell everybody at home what you think. While I make mine up, are you in camera? You're in shot. Go on, the stage is yours. Bramble, come out the way. If you, yeah, nice. Tasty? Right, I'll make this one up now. We've got the kettle on, and we've got a spam fritter sarnie. Let's give that a try. Amazing. I suppose spam is one of those things. There's a bit in between. You either like it or you don't. I don't think Claire's the world's biggest fan of it, but what do you think? Is it alright?
Yeah, it's tasty.
You'd rather have a bacon sarnie?
No, it's not.
Right, I'm going to enjoy this and we'll come back to you in a bit.
What do you think of the batter?
The batter's really nice. The beer batter is lovely, isn't it? Where's that for you? I thought you might be holding it. We'll have another try of this. Right then folks, thank you so much for taking the time to join us. I hope you enjoyed spending a little bit of time out with us in nature. The spam fritters were fantastic, weren't they?
Really nice.
You thought the beer batter was unreal, didn't you?
Yeah.
Well, it's been a nice few hours out. Don't forget to watch a video prior to this one of us setting up that brand new hammock. I'm really looking forward for spending a night out in that. And we're going to plan on coming here in a couple of weeks and doing an overnight camp, aren't we?
Yeah, yeah. Looking forward to that.
Looking forward to it. Right, we're going to head off and we're going to go and chill for a bit, and we'll catch up with you later. And as always, stay safe. We'll see you on the next one, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. Hit the bell notification and give the video a thumbs up. Bye for now. Say bye, Claire.
Bye for now.
Say bye, Claire.
Bye.